In the course of next 7 videos that I'm going to record, I don't know how I'm going to publish it, but in the course of next 7 videos, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, in total 7 videos, we are going to cover a lot of cool things and a lot of cool lot of cool secrets when it comes to the email sequences that we talk about, the email automation, tags, and more specifically in this one video, we're going to talk about just the surface level 3 things: tags, sequences, and automations. And this is going to be a relatively shorter video as compared to other videos that are going to come on email sequences, because today is 5th of May 2022. I'm recording this one video, and it was way back in 23rd March when I was making this one sequences for messages like this, and I thought at this point in time I thought it's going to be important for me to give this out for you for free. But what you have to be doing is, though this content is for free, what you have to be doing is you need to be finding the next videos for you. I'm going to help you out with that. Is this video is 3 secrets. The next video that I'm going to record is the 8 tags you need to have while setting email sequences, email automation for introvert entrepreneurs. The next video after that I'm going to record is 8 sequences you need to have while setting your email sequences, email automations for introvert entrepreneurs. The next after that is going to be 8 automations you need to have while setting email sequences. Now the tagline that I'm going to have in this one flow of next 7 videos is going to be, you can just type in the key research over there on YouTube like that. This part like this, the search icon, you need to do that and search for email automation for introvert entrepreneur. So within this one category, I'm setting all these email sequences so that it's going to be easy for you, because way back when I started off doing this, 2 months back and 3 years back, when I was doing it, I was very confused with these 3 things we are going to talk about in this one video. And relatively, it's going to be a shorter video. I'm just going to give a definition of these 3 things and why do we have to use all these 3 in the application. Now it specifically talks about one application that we use, one platform that we use called ConvertKit. Now ConvertKit is great when it comes to email marketing. That's what my mentor has been using for years. That's what I'm using for now for a couple of months, and I'm planning to continue using it because it is one of the great platforms when it comes to specifically talking about email engines, email marketing. So these 3 things has to be there. And how do you do that, but then definition of it. So topic is here, content is here. So like further is sitting with 2 books with the hero open with the real link. Anyways, so they shared this video on 2 steps to go from planning to execution, productivity, by the way. So if you want to watch that, how can you go from being productive to ultra being productive, as was the video that I recorded yesterday. And I felt, okay, let me have it. Anyways, I'm going to talk about the content here. So 3 secrets that you need to be knowing. The first secret is tags. So you can remember in this way, TSA. Okay, the game. TSA. Tags, sequences, and automations. When you go inside the platform, ConvertKit and any other platform, I don't know about any other platform, but then in this one platform, when you go, there are 3 things which are very critical, and we need to be having these 3 things very specifically and named in a specific way: tags, sequences, and automations. What is tags? Now tag is just, this was for me when I was learning it, I kind of kept the definition for me. So this is a definition, and this is the next video that we're going to talk about. So the definition is as simple: tags is to tag a category wise. Instead of keeping your list, your cold audience, your hot audience, your warm audience, your level 1, level 2, level 3, instead of keeping them like all assorted, we can just like, okay, tag is something that you can categorize. Okay, these are going to be this category of people, that is going to be that category of people, that is going to be that. So tag in one line definition is to tag category wise people. Like that's tagging. Point number 2 is sequences. Now what if you have zero idea about sequences? Sequences are nothing but a sequence of mails to be sent to people. The definition that I wrote over here is the drip mail. It's like, you want me to send you a mail today, and then tomorrow, and then day after tomorrow, and then after that, and after that, and after that. So drip mails. Now it's coming on a drip by drip basis. Okay, few of the mails that I send, for example, if there is an event happening or whatever that is happening, I want to send you mails every 12 hours. I've got that option over there. If I want to send you every mail after every 6 hours, it should remind you Then only. If I'm doing a session say at 9 o'clock, I want to create the hype, like what's going to happen, I can send you mails on an hourly basis as well. All those options are there in ConvertKit, and there's something that I use and conveying you as well. It's like sequences are that, like it's the drip based content, drip based mail that you go. Generally, that I do is back in the day, I used to have like 2 mails sending you on a daily basis, way back when you were not my client, not the student, that not a member of the Academy of Finance Scientists. That's like you used to receive those mails. It's all drip basis. I just write it like 10 mails and publish it on a daily basis, and I don't sit and write and send you mails on a daily basis. It's all on automation. It's like it's set in a sequence so that you can receive it on that specific allotted time. Point number 2. Now automations, the third angle is very important, where within the system, within the platform, I'm not showing you that, but then I'm kind of giving an idea of how that is. So you can take notes and you can see. So tags and sequences, how do they talk to each other, is where integrations comes into picture. Now integrations helps the tag that you already had and the sequence connect with each other, so that for example you become a member of the Academy of Finance Scientists, the core business game plan, the level 2 of the community. Okay, the level 2 of the community. I'm trying to say community and academy at the same time, so like equity. So now you want to become a member of the academy, okay, as the core business game plan. So what happens is, now I have to first tag you, and then I have to send you to a sequence. Just tagging you will not do any good to you, because I'm just tagging you. It's like, okay, you are a member of the core business game plan. Okay, what next? I've got like 10 sequences ready for you, say 16 sequences to be precise, 18 to 19 sequences that I've set for you in core business game plan. But how are you going to get those meals? Like you pay me, you become a member, and then what? Then I have to hook this with this sequencing. Then the engine starts working. That was a mistake that I did this morning. Like one of the applications, one of the platforms were not connected with one of the platforms. Ads are running. I've got Zapier account in place. I've got sequences in place. But then one thing that I was missing was the Zapier account was for free, and I didn't upgrade it before the launch. Now I had to upgrade it and publish all those zaps, so that now everything starts talking with each other. So that's why this video I thought is going to be important for you, just so that you know these 3 things: tags, sequences, and automation. So that when you know these 3 things, next videos are going to be easy for you. So next 3 videos we are going to talk about 8 tags. The next video is going to, after that is going to we are going to talk about 8 sequences. The next after that is going to be 8 automations. That too in order. Watch them in order, so that I've kind of given them numberings as well, the way I'm using it, that it becomes easier for you when you're typing the tags, right? Like titling the tags, titling the sequences, and titling the automation. It's in one flow, easier on your end, so that you don't make a mess of your own system. Because tactical part is where we all like to do so many things, and when you sit back and see, and when you're doing it for the first time, we actually see that, okay, it's all messed up. Then you need to delete everything, and then you need to redo it and then number. So that the numberings are very important. That's why the next video we are going to talk about the 8 tags you need to have while setting email sequences. Email automation for introvert entrepreneurs. Put that in keyword research, and you'll be able to find those videos. Thank you so much for making this video this long hair a part of your day. I'm going to see you in another exciting video. Thank you so much.